Bitcoin Cash is on the chart today. That means we will be doing a technical analysis breakdown. We're going through all the possible long scenarios and short scenarios on Bitcoin Cash. Let's straight away get into the analysis. What we can see here is that this pullback has brought us all the way towards new lows. And we're just going to follow this structure right here because we've made a high, a higher low, and a higher high. Now something interesting has happened because the pullback that brought you all the way towards new lows is now gained. That means this pullback has created a new higher high and your expectation order flow is now a higher low for new higher highs. So that is also our high time frame bias here. That doesn't mean we could expect potential downside on the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame we just want to continue up. But then again, we have been stuck here for almost 2 years, so we'll see what happens. What we have created on the weekly time frame is a range. We have a range high and we have a range low. Then deviation number one, you're trading back inside the range with enough candles as well. Then you took out that low one more time, indicating a possible liquidity schematic that market makers are filling up orders on Bitcoin Cash to then push price up into profits. Well, what we can see here is that they have done that really nicely. I mean, it's almost 100% gain. That push was indeed strong enough. What is next for Bitcoin Cash? Because what we also can see here is this price moving a little bit like this, creating almost a sort of topping structure. We have tons of liquidity on these lows that we could take out. So we all need to take that into consideration while drawing our technical analysis here. And what I always say is when you're leaving open trend liquidity on the lows, you are going to do so until we have grabbed enough on the highs, which could be the case here. We have grabbed this major swing high and we also broke structure towards the downside from there. The technical target of an accumulation is the range high, but if price action is showing you a distribution earlier, that technical target is now not guaranteed anymore. So the same thing we have on the bottom, on the higher time frame, we also have on the lower time frame, but then the other way around. In a short scenario, we have these market maker signals of them possibly pushing the price down. And this would also indicate to me that I am going to look for shorts in this supply zone here. This is our last buy before our whole sell that caused the change of character. So this is where seller stepped in. That also makes it your supply. So I am interested in taking possible shorts there to take it at least towards the range low. Even a distribution like this, the technical target is just the range low. So if price action gives a short here, I am willing to take it. If not, then this was a setup and a trap, and we're just going to keep on getting this short squeeze up. So short scenario, then the long scenario, then I want to point out another long scenario. It's all the way down here because this is not tested. This is our first hold of the market after a big sweep. We swept price, we came up, we made a higher low, and we continued from there. And we have never tested that back. We have just started building liquidity above it. So it could even be realistic to see Bitcoin Cash trend all the way towards that 300 mark and expect upside from there. I do not want to go any lower than this because then I am expecting liquidity from here to get taken. So those were already a few trading scenarios that I have pointed out, and that's also what I'm going to be looking at on Bitcoin Cash. It's not going to get any more difficult than that, and that's going to be the technical analysis on Bitcoin Cash. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these analysis. And if you are interested in daily trading setups or at least possible trading setup, then also make sure to join the Discord linked down below. I'll see you there. Peace.